Hey guys, welcome back to Solly's Models. So, in this series we are going to be looking at the Tornado Gr1 from the Gulf War. This is a 30 seconds scale kit from Revells. Doing this series a little bit differently. I'm not going to be narrating all the way through it and boring you to death. Excuse me. Also, this series has gone off to a bit of a rocky start. The original first episode should have been on making the ejector seats and the upgrades I made for those. These I've done myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly tell you about how I've done them first, and then we'll get into the actual this episode video. All I used was basically Tamiya masking tape, cut them down to thin strips. Put a couple of layers on those strips just to give a bit of thickness in the belts. The buckles that are in there are upgrade parts actually from a tank kit. They are locker storage parts. They're actually padlock locks and latches. So I've cut them down to make the belts there. And that's quite simply it. I've used a little bit of super glue to stick them down as well, so that they shouldn't move from here on out. Also, as well, on the seats themselves, I've used some tissue paper with water and PVA mix, just to give a bit of texture to the seat. So that's how I've done the seats. I'm really sorry how this has already started out. It hasn't gone very well, I'm afraid. But so actually in this actual episode, which should be part 2, he's actually looking at the main cockpit itself, putting those ejector seats in as well, and a few of the upgrades I've made. Again, DIY I've made myself, which you can quite easily do yourself as well. It's nothing majorly complicated. But before we get into the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, put bell notifications on as well, which will obviously inform you of new videos coming up. You can also follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the episode. you.